blow the candle si Madam.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yan, make a wish na po. Ayan, make a wish.
Isa pa, paubos na.
Once again,